Hello everyone. Today, I will guide you through the process of downloading and installing Obsidian software on Windows 11, step by step. First, open your web browser, type Download Obsidian into the search bar, and press Enter. Then, click the official Obsidian website link to access the software download page directly. After the page opens, locate and click the Download Obsidian button to start the download process. Once the download has started, wait for it to complete. Download speeds vary depending on your internet connection, so it may take a few seconds or several minutes. After the download is complete, click the Open button to access the downloaded file and begin the installation process. Right-click the Obsidian installer and select Run as administrator. On the installation screen, choose Only for Me and click Next. Click Installation. Please wait while the installation is in progress. Once it is complete, you can proceed to the next step. Click Finish. After launching Obsidian for the first time, you will see the Create Local Vault screen. In the Vault name field, enter a name for your vault, such as My Notes or Testing. Next, click Browse to choose the location where you want to save your vault on your computer. Once you have entered the vault name and selected a location, click Create to create your new vault and start using Obsidian. After creating your vault, Obsidian will open to the main workspace. On the left side, you will see the Files panel, which displays all the notes in your vault. To create a new note, click the New Note icon at the top of the Files panel, as highlighted in the image. Then, enter a name for your note and press Enter. Obsidian will automatically create and open the new note for you. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.